it's great to see. I think one of the most important things we need to be aware of is the students have really put their heart and soul into this, as well as the mentors. And without the school, without the mentors, without the students, this stuff doesn't happen. Okay, there's so many people that are behind the scenes as well. From the people that fly these airplanes to the Evans family. I mean, the Evans family is just huge for us. Okay? And we probably can't go into the massive details that involves, but trust us, it's huge. So what I want to do is Tony's going to come out and he's going to talk, he's going to tell you a little bit of a history about maybe all these planes or some of the planes and how it started. And yeah, then I guess we will hand the plane over to Linda and Lee, and then we'll get the show on the road. Let's take a fly. It's going to fly.
Well, I'll just give you a bit of a history of how we started this. I was right there the first day out. Jim decided he was going to buy a MBSAT, and so we went down and saw the boss at the school, and he couldn't believe his eyes and ears what we had in here. Jim's idea of starting this project was to try and get some more young people into aviation. It didn't matter whether it's been a mechanic or a pilot. We didn't care. We just wanted everyone into the into aviation. So Jim went and bought that little blue plane over there. That was our first one. It flew 10 years ago, November, and it's just amazing to be involved in all this. Then came along, Wendy and AJ bought that one for us. Yeah, Wendy passed away just after we finished that plane, so it's a pretty special plane, that one too. And then this blue plane over there, John and Catherine Gemmell bought it as just to so we can keep the project running, which we really appreciate it because it's been awesome. And then they bought this one, Lee and Linda, and that was just amazing that they bought it, just went out of the way and bought it for us. And we're so proud of it, and thank you very much. It's kept the old thing going. It's just such a special build, and I think that everyone in Whitianga is proud of what we're doing. And yeah, I just thank you very much.
So if anybody, any mentors, any past or present students, anyone?
He's a true teacher, mate. Don't worry about it. Go on, he did something. Yeah, I did that. Go on, get up there. You're involved. Come on, get in front.
Come on, Gene.
Going
up.
Oh, Chris, you're involved, mate. You get up there, Gene. I'm devolved. Come on, man.
Yeah, mentors have got anybody. Even if you come in for poorly, get in there. Hurry up. Where's Carlos? Carlos is there. Who else we got? Oh, we're missing Tyler. Is Tyler still here? Tyler!
Come on, Tony.
Who else are we missing? Sheila, where's Sheila? Come on, Sheila. Someone will hold Cuzzy. You'll be right.
Cuzzy should be here as well.
Oh, yeah. Come on, Cuzzy. You come with me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Spin round. Oh, come in this way a bit, Pete. You want to sit or do you want to lie down? Yeah. Come in this way a bit.